American, I love oil. Abysmal. At ease.
Hey, for your herd.
So, you get the oil at ease. You get the oil hot and you put battered things into it. And then you get fried stuff. We are frying everything under the sun. We're gonna start off with some hash browns because those don't require any batter. And then we're gonna fry maybe some bacon and some various snack chips at ease. We want it to be about the consistency of paint for it to be the best batter. I don't know why I hired him to be my sous chef, but he's good at his job. See that right there? That's perfect batter. My history with substance goes a long way back. I've been an alcoholic since age 4. I've been smoking since age 5. This is the service industry. I'm gonna 86 you in about 2 seconds.
Sorry, sir. I will go beat myself up now.
And this is why I hired him. This is pure degeneracy, and I love it. Should I use my real age? No, 27. Oil is almost up to temperature. So we're gonna start with these hash browns.
The beatings have finished.
Can I beat you?
Yes, sir. Always. Good one, sir.
There, in 7th grade, there was a talk at my school where this guy said, if you only do it once, it's not bullying. And ever since then, we've abused it. It looks like shredded cheese.
Sir, I will escort them out if you give me permission, sir.
86 then, please. This is why I don't allow people in the back of house. Put the plate over there and spread some paper towels on it in a layer too thick. In just a second, we're going to be making some hash browns. Okay. Please don't boil over. Please don't boil over. Please, 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 please don't boil over. Yes, yeah. I'm trying. I know what I'm doing. I definitely know what I'm doing. Definitely do not check the diploma. These are gonna be amazing though. I hate my job. Look at that. Let's drain off some of the oil. There we go. That's the first batch. Feel a little salty there, bud?
No, sir. Perfectly peppered.
I feel the touch of a woman. Why am I enjoying this?
It will be great, sir.
Aww. There we go. That's more what we're looking for right here. We want it to stick together. Like a good team. Can I have the... Will you bring the plate over, please? Thank you, sir. Lisa, can I have the kids back, please? Or at least see them on weekends? I miss you. I miss them. I want to be a family again.
Am I not family enough for you, sir? May I affectionately pat you on the shoulder?
Not while I'm cooking. Unless you want to be splashed with boiling oil. Which I believe, according to the Geneva Convention, is a war crime.
I will save you from that.
Or, forgive me, Geneva suggestion.
Should I kick him out, sir?
No, he's fine. He's chill.
Should I give him a blanket, sir?
Yeah, give him a blankie.
Sleep, sleep, baby, or you will die. Sleep, sleep, baby, or you will cry. Sleep, sleep, baby, do not ask why. Sleep, sleep, baby, for if you do, you will die.
Should be fine, it's just stuff there's stuff up there.
Sir, how many OSHA violations have you committed?
I've lost count.
Alright, stop. Cooperate and listen.
Dude,
I see
right
exactly
lights.
what I'm doing.
Mention something, grabs a hold of me tightly, float like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever?
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
The OSHA guidelines are just a suggestion.
The rules are meant to be broken.
So are your bones. Get out of here.
Don't promise.
Sir, would you like me to...
Oh,
I don't want him.
my kidneys!
I broke his neck.
Time to clean up the mess.
I don't want to go to Detroit. Not Detroit.
What skill issue?
Knox attack.
I thought I taught you to not come.
Delicious. Is it busing?
Si, senor.
Should we get... Knox, get him out of here.
No, not Detroit. Please.
Back to Detroit.
No! I can't have anything there.
These are really good, actually. As cursed as it was making them.
They're not bad, actually. They're
Yeah.
like very good.
These aren't as salty. I'll put some more salt on.
So that's how you got a concussion.
Yeah, I don't make these in Detroit.
How do you get back in here?
Knox?
Knox, take him to Brazil this time.
No! Don't live there.
What's happening? What is happening?
But Chef Boyardee. I'm not gonna put this in. I'm not putting it in the butt. I'm gonna put it away.
Jack, what have you done?
Did somebody order boneless spread?
It still had water on it.
They don't look.
Golden brown, delicious.
These do not look particularly appetizing.
Shut up, boys.
We'll see. Yeah, that's gonna be enough. Eat it. One bite. Small. Is it good? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah. I'm here sometimes. It's just usually like the middle of the day.
What I think's gonna happen with these is they're just gonna melt. But we'll find out. Yep, it entirely disintegrated.
Why not?
Yeah, it was a failure. And that's a wrap. Hot pan, hot pan. Hot pan coming out. Hot pan, hot pan, hot pan, hot pan. Hot pan. Very hot pan. Smoking hot pan, burning oil.
Why?
We were frying stuff and trying to fry a gummy worm failed miserably because the sugar disintegrated immediately and then burnt.
Okay.